Learn the simple steps to define your curls fast. After washing or co-washing, I prepare the hair with curl cream and a light gel, emulsifying the product through the hair thoroughly. Brushing through the root direction to complement the haircut and natural growth patterns. The hair texture is dry and coarse with a slight wave. I intend on enhancing the wave into a curl by using the prep products and twisting the hair out into sections using a denman brush. I take large sections, I place the section of hair into the brush and slowly twist the brush whilst moving down through each section. You can twist as tight or as loose as you want. The brush will stretch and smooth the hair whilst encouraging wave and curl into the hair. We take large sections, working around the head shape, keeping in mind we want to complement the haircut. This is a cool, curly shag hairstyle. My goal is to create a head-hugging shape with defined lived-in curls. In the curtain bangs, you can place clips to hold the bend in place or simply use your hand to cradle the shape when diffusing. Once you have finished setting the curls in place, you could leave it to dry naturally. I am using a diffuser to remove 80 to 90% of the moisture. Cradling the hair up to activate curl and trying to avoid running my hands through the hair and disturbing the curls. To complete the styling, I flip my client's hair over her head and continue to dry the root area. You could use a small amount of serum on the mids to ends if required, or to shake out your curls, creating your desired end result. This process used on coily or super curly hair will help to create looser, more controlled, relaxed curls. And on wavy hair, it can help to create curls. This is a must know for the salon floor. If you love this haircut, hit the link above or find the link in the bio below. If you love this tutorial, you should watch this one next.